And so we did room service, and we did this so we could do a review.
Of the room service.
A review of the room service.
I'm just gonna open stuff up and line it up. So we have utensils.
Yes.
That's the end of the heart.
Yeah.
Liz hates that thing. Alright, so this is the pizza.
Oh, pizza looks pretty good.
That actually looks just like the regular pizza.
Okay, close it up. Close it up. Keep it warm.
And then we have...
Ooh,
that
Caesar.
looks like a Caesar salad.
Yeah. Yep. Chris approved? Yep.
Freaking delicious.
Okay.
Actually pretty cool too.
And we have, ooh, firecracker shrimp. Ooh, with 2 different sauces.
Yes, yes.
Ooh, is that ketchup or is that?
One's ketchup and one's that honey, or the... Shrimp?
No.
Delicious. Hot of fries.
Okay.
What?
Here we go.
That was the last of the rest of the evening, by the way. Oh, I'm sorry. I have to test this. I can't just show it to you.
What is it? That's the corned beef.
That's the Reuben.
Oh, the Reuben.
And that looks delicious. Look at that thing. Holy crap.
Wow.
Huh?
That's a lot
That's
of
some
meat.
good looking stuff.
Alright. Don't make a mess. And?
Not good.
Okay, well.
That was really good.
Alright, move on. We got more to go.
Are you go back?
No.
Ah.
Just wait till we're done.
I'm gonna try the fries.
Curly fries? Good.
Pretty delicious.
Okay. Next.
Oh, this one's on Liz.
Oh.
That is
I'm a vegetarian.
her very rare, only on a cruise, tuna salad.
Okay, hold on. I'll take a bite.
Here we go.
Oh, they warmed it.
Yeah.
Mm.
It's toasted.
Oh, good.
That's potato salad.
I don't know. Where's the forks?
I don't know. I got hands.
Oh my god, that's gross.
Yum yum.
Alright, you need a napkin.
No, they put it here.
Okay. Next.
Sounds good. All right.
Oh, Greek salad. That'll be delicious. I need my silverware though.
Greek salad.
Yeah. I'll just take it. Yum. Don't. You just got your meat juice all over.
I ate everything I touched with the meat juice. We have a tray of fries. You want fries?
I guess we did.
No, you did. Oh. So, she's probably not going to like them because they're crunchy.
They're not all crunchy. Some are soggy.
Those are delicious.
Okay. What else did we order? Jesus.
Or Jesus? All right, folks, here's Jesus.
No, I didn't mean it that way. Oh, that's your chicken.
That is my chicken tenders. Wow, those are big ass tenders. Look at those things.
All right, don't dip in the honey mustard, meat-wise, because I will use them.
Wow.
Good.
Oh, delicious.
They're huge, Caroline. Huge.
And more curly fries, which I love.
Yeah, I love this honey mustard. Don't dip in it.
Oh, and not meatify your honey mustard.
Put it to the side so we can use it.
Oh, honey mustard?
Yeah.
Right.
No, meaning put it like here so it's accessible.
One,
right.
accessible. I need more of these. These are good.
I told you not to meatify it. That's what I was saying.
Alright, finish the chop. There you go. Unmeatified. Sorry.
Alright. This is...
We're just breading.
Higher.
We're good though.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Alright, I've had the Greek salad, and I will say, it's really good. It's like, yummy. The perfect amount of dressing. Not too much. It's delicious. And Chris is back at his Reuben.
Very good.
It's good.
Lots of cheese. Lots of meat. And not too much sauerkraut. A lot of times they're overloaded with sauerkraut, but this is not. Man, look at that cheese now thing. Like, this thing will be eating this all night because we got like 8 hours to eat this.
Alright, so that's what's left of the salad. Half a sandwich. Full plate of fries still. And fries.
And everything came in fries, so we combined the fries. There's my sandwiches and nuggets. That's for later.
Yes, and then
Pizza.
half a pizza. It is way too much food.
It is. That's why we're eating later.
We're saving it all?
Oh,
How long
fine,
can it sit?
At least 4 to 8 hours.
48 hours?
4 or 8. 4 to
Okay.
8. 4 to 8.
Ooh.
Yummy.
Yum.